If you're brand new to AI, you do not need technical language or clever prompt tricks to get started. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to talk to AI, make it part of your routine, and choose the right tool first. We'll focus on 3 simple wins. First, how to speak to AI in a natural way that gets useful answers. Then we'll look at how to build a small habit around it, and which tool makes the most sense for the job in front of you. The biggest mindset shift is this. Talk to AI the way you'd talk to a friend or coworker using plain words. You don't need secret codes or specific keywords. Clear everyday language usually works better. If you already use Microsoft tools, Copilot is a natural place to begin. Gemini fits well if you live in Google's world and want help across search, docs, and workspace tasks. ChatGPT is a flexible all-rounder for writing, brainstorming, explaining ideas, and trying quick prompt experiments. Claude is especially helpful when you want thoughtful writing support or to work through longer documents. Grok is another option if you want a different assistant style, especially inside the X ecosystem. The best choice isn't the most famous one. It's the one that fits where you already work. A simple prompt gets much better when it includes 4 parts. Tell the AI what role to play, like a tutor, editor, or coach. Then add context and the task. Give the situation, then say exactly what you want it to do. Finish with format. That means how you want the answer back, like bullet points, a short summary, or a table. You can start with something simple, like explain this topic to me like I'm a beginner and use a real-world example. Or ask, review this email and make it clearer, or give me 10 ideas for a short team update about this topic. For your first 10 minutes, just open one tool and sign in. Don't compare everything at once. Give it a little context about what you're working on, then ask for one clear result, like a summary, a draft, or a list of ideas. If the answer is close but not quite right, react and refine it. You almost never need to start over from scratch. To make AI stick, set a few preferences when the tool allows it, and turn on memory if that feature is available and useful to you. Then build one small weekly workflow, like planning a meeting, summarizing notes, or drafting a first version. Small wins are what turn curiosity into habit. One important rule stays the same with every tool. Verify before you trust. That matters even more when facts, numbers, legal questions, or medical details are involved. So start simple. Pick one tool, try one real task, and get comfortable talking to it in your own words. That's how confidence builds. Keep going with the guide or the next video, and you'll improve faster than you think.